Hi, amazing morning. Maraming salamat sa oras na ibinigay mo para mapanood ang video na to. Marahil isa ka sa mga tao na naghahanap ng dagdag na opportunity para magkaroon ng dagdag na pagkakakitaan. O baka isa ka sa mga tao na naghahanap ng negosyo na pwede mong gawin kahit meron kang ibang pinagkakaabalahan. Isa ka ba sa mga empleyado na pagod na sa sweldo, gastos, trabaho? O isa ka sa mga OFW na gustong maging mas mabilis yung pag-for good dito sa Pilipinas? O di naman kaya, isa ka sa mga negosyante na medyo maliit yung kita mo ngayon, kaya gusto mong magdagdag ng pagkakakitaan. Bago tayo magsimula, kung meron kang earphone o tahimik na lugar na pwede mong pwestohan, gusto ko makapag-focus ka dahil mahalaga yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon at baka ito na yung matagal na breakthrough na hinihintay mo. I am Joseph Tolentino and I'm here to present to you IM Worldwide Business Partnership. I am a civil engineer by profession, dating empleyado na nagsisipag, nagtsatsaga, dumidiskarte. Pero tulad ng iba, minsan kahit anong diskarteng ginagawa natin at kahit anong tsaga yung ibinibigay natin, madalas kinukulang pa rin. Kaya na-experience din natin yung tinatawag na rat cycle, kung saan halos paikot-ikot na lang, no? Kinsenas, katapusan, minsan kulang, madalas wala pa. Kaya I'm very grateful and thankful dito sa opportunity ng IM Worldwide. Dahil sa tulong nito, na-promote tayo into sa Sapphire Elite Executive na kung saan yung business account natin ay pwedeng kumita up to 200,000 pesos per week. Dito na rin natin na-achieve yung ating first car, yung ating first million, and we were able to have our first property. And ilan lang yan sa mga bagay na pwede mong makuha once sa simulan mo ang ating negosyo. Again, welcome to IM Worldwide. This is the home of hope in which we share health, opportunity, and prosperity for everyone. Sabi nga ni Heart Evangelista, success is having the right partner. Minsan kailangan mo lang din ng tamang opportunity at ang tamang partner para makuha natin at ma-achieve natin yung mga goals natin in life. IM Worldwide is 100% Filipino-owned company founded by President Allen Marvin U. Eder and VP Aika Lorraine Uy. Our main office is located at Ortigas Avenue, Green Hills, San Juan. Grabe, in the span of 5 years, multi-awarded ng ating company. From being the top choice, best new fastest growing company hanggang sa pagiging best new company of the year. Even our founders ay awarded din because of their leadership and yung company natin nare-recognize because of the sustainability. Isa sa pinakamaganda sa company natin ay pinopromote ito ng mga kilalang personalidad. With the help of them, naipopromote natin ng mas mabilis ang ating products and ang ating opportunity. Kaya naman, we are expanding nationwide sa iba't ibang probinsya. At ang nakakatuwa ngayon, we are also expanding worldwide sa iba't ibang bansa tulad ng Italy, Japan, Kuwait, USA, and Dubai. Simulan nating pag-usapan ang health. This is Miss Maritoni Fernandez. She is an actress and a cancer survivor. She is our business partner and our supplier ng ating amazing products. Pero if familiar ka sa story niya, she was diagnosed with breast cancer last 2001 with a 5-year chance of survival. So bilang isang magulang at isang ina, hindi siya pumayag. Nag-undergo siya sa process ng chemotherapy. Ngunit alam naman natin na ang chemotherapy, kapag mahina ang immune system mo, maaaring sa proseso pa lang, doon mawalan ka na ng buhay. Kaya naganap si Miss Maritoni Fernandez sa internet na makakatulong sa kanya upang maitawid ng chemotherapy. At dito niya nakita ating flagship product, which is ang amazing pure organic barley. Ngayon, 22 years na siyang cancer-free. Ano bang meron sa barley na yan? Baka narinig mo na, o di naman kaya nakita mo na. According to Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, is a doctor, scientist, and a pharmacologist na nag-research about barley. And sabi niya, it is recognized as the most nutritious of all plant foods. Imagine, no? It has 68 micronutrients found in the barley leaves. So, ibig sabihin, halos lahat ng vitamins and minerals ay pwede nating makuha dito sa barley. Here are some of the amazing testimonies na meron po tayo.
And I am a 16-year cancer survivor, breast cancer, ductal carcinoma in situ, stage 2B po ang diagnosis sa akin. I discovered that the best of the king of all herbal supplements is, of course, the young barley powder. As soon as I started taking the barley, my immune system started to get much better, much quicker.
Meron po akong PCOS for 10 years. So before po, irregular yung menstruation ko. And then, na-discover ko po itong barley. After 2 months taking barley continuously, naging regular po yung menstruation ko. Thanks to this amazing product, And after that po, itong last April 2019, na-discover po namin na clear na po yung PCOS ko and I'm now 6 months pregnant.
I have been struggling for 11 years to conceive. I have PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome. And because of this, my ovary and my uterus got filled. So sometime in December, my period was delayed. And that's when I found out that I was pregnant. I am now in my 8th month of pregnancy.
Meron na akong episodes of hyperacidity. So, matindi yung pag umaandar siya, talaga minsan na ER pa ako. Barley lang kasi yung tinake ko talaga na supplement since yun lang yung allowed for pregnant and breastfeeding women.
Na-diagnose ako year 2015, November 9, diabetes mellitus 2, type 2. Naghanap ako ng alternate way para paano bumaba ang blood sugar. Sa biyaya ng Diyos, after 1.5 months, nakita ko kung gaano ka-epekto ang pure barley.
Nagkaroon ako ng bacterial meningitis. Imagine, sa isang napaka-critical na sakit, pero luckily, sobrang thankful lang ako kay God kasi sobrang laking natulong sa akin ng barley kasi prior to that, nag-take na talaga ako ng barley.
When I did the tour with my son just a month ago, we brought 2 boxes because the day before I met up with them, even my son was taking it, so we never got sick. So right away, I was coming from a flight. I took it and the whole day I was okay. And just like what I said kanina, I never got sick the whole tour.
Boosts your energy and to detoxify and cleanse your body. You really have to experience it because it really works.
Barley is our flagship product and nakakatuwa dahil marami na rin talagang matulungan ng ating products. The first advocacy of our company is to spread health awareness through our amazing products. And ito ang mga products na meron pa tayo. So meron tayong amazing pure organic barley powder, meron din tayong amazing pure organic barley capsule, and we have choco barley for the kids. So perfect for the whole family. Sa mga gusto na on the go, you can take the capsule. And for the kids naman, of course, pwede ang ating choco barley. We also have amazing coffees, amazing coffee mix with glutathione, amazing coffee mix with Tongkat Ali, cafe latte with barley and alkaline, and cafe mocha with barley and alkaline. Second beverage ang coffee na iniinom ng mga tao, kaya naman mas maganda na healthy yung coffee na iinumin natin. Meron din tayong juices like amazing grape juice with Garcinia kombucha. This can help you lose weight. At meron din naman tayong amazing acai berry extract with collagen and Bacopa Monnieri para naman sa ating freshness and youthfulness. Meron din tayong amazing immunergy na makakatulong upang malabanan ang mga nagkalat bacteria because it has zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D, and Moringa oleifera. And our newest product na amazing white glutathione as the mother of antioxidant. So most of our products ay food supplement na makakatulong talaga upang mapangalagaan natin ang ating kalusugan. So magpunta naman tayo sa opportunity. Again, we are giving opportunities to those people na naghahanap din ng dagdag na pagkakakitaan. Pero paano ba natin ito sisimulan? We have different packages para masimulan mo ang ating negosyo. We have Jade package na 198,800, Platinum package na 112,000, Gold package na 44,800, and Silver package na 16,800. We have different package na pwede mong simulan, but the higher the package is the higher the potential income. So ano bang makukuha mo once na nag-avail ka ng package natin? You will get 100% worth of product. So parang bumili ka lang talaga ng produkto at first. You will get lifetime discount up to 50% sa mga next reorders mo. You will get your own online business tracking account, free trainings and coachings, lifestyle incentives such as travel, car, gadgets, and house and lot. Most of all, our prosperity program in which you will get 13 ways to earn. Pag-usapan naman natin ng prosperity. Again, here in I Am Worldwide, you will get the benefit of 13 ways to earn. Pero ilan lang muna yung pag-uusapan natin. So, paano ba kikita once na nagsimula ka ng negosyo? First is through retailing or product selling. You will enjoy up to 50% lifetime discount on all our products. Imagine, sa isang box ng Amazing Pure Organic Barley, ang SRP niyan ay 1,000. And as a distributor, you will only get it at 500. Imagine, 500 pesos per box ang pwede mong kitain. Kung makakaisang box ka sa loob ng isang buwan, that will be an additional 15,000 pesos for you. Pwede na. Kung makatatlong box ka sa isang araw, yan ay 45,000 in 1 month. So, pwede nang dagdag na pagkakakitaan. Aside sa retailing, pwede mo ring i-offer yung ating wholesale or package selling. Kung meron kang mga clients na gustong magkaroon ng lifetime discount, pwede mo sa kanilang i-offer ang ating packages. For every package, there is a commission. Sa silver, meron kang 1.5. Sa gold, meron kang 3.5. Sa platinum, meron kang 9,000. And sa jade, meron kang 20,000. But again, your income may vary based on the package na in-avail mo. Pero bukod pa doon, meron tayong amazing bonuses na dito mo lang makikita sa IM Worldwide. For example, nag-avail ka ng silver package. Entitled ka sa tinatawag na Give Me 5 bonus. For example, this is you, silver account holder, and you share it or nakapagbenta ka ng 5 silver packages, A, B, C, D, and E. At the package, you will earn 1,500 commission. But on top of that, kapag nakalima kang silver, bibigyan ka pa ng company ng additional bonus na 15,000 pesos. Ang kagandahan dyan, wala siyang time frame at unlimited siya. Ibig sabihin, kahit kailan mo basta mabuo mo yung 5, may 15,000 pesos na bonus ka at pwede mo siyang ulit-ulitin. Kung ikaw naman ay gold package holder, entitled ka naman sa tinatawag na Just For You bonus. If this is you, nakapagbenta ka ng 4 gold packages, si A, B, C, and D. Every package, meron kang commission, but on top of that, bibigyan ka ng bonus ng company na 40,000 pesos. No time frame and unlimited. If you are a platinum package holder and nakapag-sell ka ng 4 platinum packages, you will get 9,000 for each, and on top of that, meron kang bonus na 100,000 pesos. No time frame and unlimited. And for the Jade package naman, kapag nakasell ka ng 4 Jade packages, you will get 20,000 each, and on top of that, meron kang bonus na 200,000, no time frame, and unlimited. Dito mo lang makikita yung company na sobrang generous magbigay ng bonus. Kaya naman, napakaganda talaga ng ating compensation plan. But aside from that, to remain active, you just need to purchase 3 boxes every month. Pero may tinatawag tayo ditong rebates or wise consumerism na kung saan you will get 5% from the Unilevel points per product. Paano ito? Kada box ng barley natin, meron tayong 100 Unilevel points. And for example, nagpa-purchase ka ng 3 boxes per month. So 3 boxes times 100 Unilevel points times 5%, may babalik sa'yo na 15 pesos. Pero hindi pa dyan natatapos. Bakit? Dahil yung mga distributors or dealers na mapapapasok mo dito, lahat din ng pinapurchase nila, you will get 5%. Or sabihin na natin, 5 pesos per box. Worst case scenario, meron kang 1,000 users under your organization at nagpa-purchase sila ng 3 boxes per month. Times 100 Unilevel points times 5%. That's an additional 15,000 pesos for you. Imagine, wala ka nang ginawa dyan. Bumili lang yung mga distributors under your organization ng tagta-3 box every month, pero meron kang 15,000 pesos na additional income. Ngayon, if you were able to purchase 6 boxes in 1 month, pasok ka naman sa tinatawag na Project 001. Dito, 10% of the total 1,500 purchase ng lahat ng members, ipinamimigay ng company. So, pag naka-6 na box ka sa 1 month, pasok ka na dito, para siyang loto, na nagkakaroon ka ng automatic na taya. Pero imagine mo, no, lahat ng bumili ng 6 boxes, sa loob ng 1 buwan, pinamimigay yan ng company. At dumating na tayo sa point, no, na ang ipinamimigay ay worth 1 million pesos per month. Pero tulad na nasabi ko, meron din tayong mga travel incentives. This is a quarterly incentive ng company na kung saan binibigyan niya ng chance na mag-enjoy at makapagpahinga, all expenses paid trip ang mga distributors natin worldwide. Meron din tayong lifestyle incentive na kung saan pwede mong ma-achieve ito every year. Pwede ka magkaroon ng free car and free properties base sa mapoproduce mo at ng grupo mo. Sobrang ganda ng opportunity na meron tayo at pwede talaga ito sa lahat. Papa-estudyante ka man, empleyado, OFW, mommy, o kahit tambay ka. Basta kaya mong magsimula, pwedeng-pwede sa'yo to. Sabi nga ni Uhuru Kenyatta, 4th President of Kenya. If you really love your children, so sabihin na natin, kung may mga anak na tayo, o di naman kaya, magkakaanak ka pa lang. Sabi niya dyan, get a business, not a job. Because when you die, your children cannot inherit your job. Marami naman siguro sa atin ang medyo nahihirapan sa pagtatrabaho at hindi natin ito nais ipamana sa mga anak natin. Pero, ang pinakamaganda dito sa I Am Worldwide, pwede siyang manahin ng mga mahal natin sa buhay because we have a beneficiary if in case merong mangyari sa atin. So walang masasayang sa investment. Kapag nag-grow mo yung business, nakapag-create na siya ng passive income, mapapakinabangan pa siya ng mga next generation. Ito yung mga bagay na gusto kong itanong mo sa sarili mo. Una, nagustuhan mo ba yung produkto? Kailangan mo ba yung products? Kailangan ba ng mga taong mahal mo sa buhay yung produkto? At gusto mo rin bang maging advocate ng health awareness? Pangalawa, nagustuhan mo ba yung kitaan? Kung maghahanap na nga lang tayo ng negosyo, doon na tayo sa tiyak na kikita tayo at merong magandang compensation plan. Pangatlo, willing ka bang maturuan at makuha ang mga pangarap mo? Dahil dito, hindi mo siya gagawin mag-isa. Makakatulong mo ko at ibang mga leaders natin para masimulan ng negosyong ito. Kung yes ang sagot mo sa tatlong yan at kaya mong magsimula doon sa mga packages na diniscuss natin, I highly recommend join our community. Let's do business together and achieve success. Kung nakaabot ka sa part na to, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo itong Bible verse na Jeremiah 29:11. Sabi dyan, for I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future. Hindi aksidente na nakita mo to. Kaya kung willing kang magsimula, willing kang maturuan, at kaya mong magsimula, join our community. Again, maraming salamat sa oras na ibinigay mo. Balikan mo yung taong nag-send sa'yo ng video na to para malaman kung paano magsimula. See you in our community. God bless.